Ever feel like the world expects you to slow down after 55, like your best years are behind you? I used to think that too, until life forced me to rethink everything.
And what if we told you that the second half of life could be your most fulfilling chapter yet?
I was working in education, steady job, family man, doing what I thought I was supposed to. But then, boom, a health scare hit. I had to step away from everything. It wasn't just a physical battle with it was emotional too. I felt lost, disconnected, unsure of what came next.
And that's where so many of us are, wondering, is it too late to start over? But the truth is, midlife isn't the end. It's an invitation to begin again, with wisdom on your side.
Exactly. I didn't have a clear plan, but what I did have was the desire to grow, to rediscover who I was beyond the job title. That's when I started writing again, learning new skills from home, and honestly, healing from the inside out.
So let me ask you this. What shifted for you? What was the actual turning point?
Honestly, it was realizing that growth doesn't retire. I started journaling, learning digital skills, and connecting with others who were also rebuilding after 50. That gave me the courage to write Flourish after 55, not because I had all the answers, but because I knew others needed a map like I did.
And the book is packed with wisdom, real life stories, mindset shifts, emotional resilience tips, and practical strategies for everything from health to creativity to redefining purpose.
It's not a hypey 10 steps to success thing. It's gentle, honest guidance, like a trusted friend walking alongside you, whether you're facing retirement, feeling stuck, or just craving more meaning. This book was made for you.
And Carl even includes the exact digital blueprint he used to start earning again from home, without tech overwhelm.
If you're 55 or older and wondering what comes next, this is your invitation.
Grab Flourish after 55 to get started with the same path Carl followed. Simply comment Flourish below.
You're not too late, you're right on time, and trust me, there's more ahead than you ever imagined.
If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one area of your life you're ready to grow in after 55? We'd love to hear your story.
Until next time, keep showing up, keep growing, and remember the next chapter's yours to write.
And thank you for you watching today's episode. We hope it inspires and stirs your inner being to keep growing.